Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Reality Adventure. Today we are going to unbox this unusual type of 360-degree camera that is known as Vuze XR Dual 2D 360 and 3D 180 VR camera. It has 5.7K capability. It's from a company called Vuze or Vuze. It makes a lot of different types of equipments, including this type of camera and also some augmented reality glasses named like Vuze Blade and something like that. So let's unbox this camera and I'm going to describe something unusual or special about it. So let's look at the box first. As you can see in this side, you can look at the different types of capabilities that it has. It has 3D 180-degree video, meaning that you can capture VR videos and it will have some depth perception to it. And it has 2D 360-degree videos. If you see 360-degree videos or photos inside VR, you will see some curvature on the different kinds of planes, like it's a spheric video or a spheric photo. So this 3D 180 adds the depth to those kinds of videos and photos because it has, look at this, it has 360-degree mode and also it has 180 mode, stereoscopic type of assembly here. It can transform from this mode if you click a button, and it will be transformed from this to this. So let's see the box. As you can see, this is the front. This is the different types of functionalities that it has. It has 5.7K 30 fps video. It has 18 megapixel of photo, which is great even in 2020. It has in cinema staging, good quality staging, video stabilization, 360-degree audio, mobile video editing, meaning you can edit the videos that you capture here on your mobile phone too. You can share it to the social media. You can also lively broadcast to YouTube or Facebook or in your social media or other platforms like Twitch or something like that. So it has support for the app on Google Play Store and also the App Store. These are some serial numbers. Humaneyes.com. Yeah, the name is very unique. So that's the box. This is the one side of the Vuze. This is the side. This is the folded out scene. So let's start the unboxing. So now we can just push it from this side. It slides open like this. So let's put this away. There's the top part, Vuze XR. The name is very interesting, Vuze XR, kind of extended reality thing. So after opening the box, there is some opening here to support for the lenses and the packaging. This has nothing in it else for this carving. And then you have the camera itself. Let's take it out. Well, it's solid build. It feels really good on hand. Some protective poly covers on the lenses. Let's take them off. One there and on the other side. Then we have some poly all around the device. So let's take them off too, and let's see how many over the panel. Now this is the camera. It has another battery channel, so you can, to ensure normal recording, use a micro SDX UHS 1 or 2 cards with speed class of U3 or V30. So it needs very good quality SD card. This is the Wi-Fi button. This is the power button. This is the capture button, and This is the lock release button. It has good mount capability below here, and you can put it simply stand because it has a flat surface below. So just for now, put the camera aside. Let's look at the other contents in the box. There is the carving again, so let's just put it away. And there is this, some cards, some question. Do you have any question regarding this camera? You can call this number or email them over this address. So some information, community, this is the quick start guide, all the different kinds of buttons and LEDs that are there on the camera. It seems that it has LEDs on this side. We cannot get it for now. It has some very little ambush or small punches in the surface of this side to indicate the placement of the LEDs. These will light up when you are operating the camera. So here you can plug in to charge the camera, and there will be the SD card inside. So it has a standard 1/4 inch screw support, and there's also a LED here, capture status indicator here. It will light up when you are operating it. Okay, there are multiple microphones. Here is one, here is another, here is another, and here. So there are 4 microphones, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's look at the there you go. So if you press this button, it releases the cameras, and it becomes a fisheye stereoscopic 2D 3D 360 3D 180 degree camera. It looks a bit awkward or unusual, but it does a lot of great functionality. So you have to just push it and clicks to attach it. Let's do it from this side. There you go. It's satisfactory in some way. So let's continue all the other contents. There is some warranty and safety regulations, big, yeah, something like that. Let's put that away too. All the other contents are the charger. Let's take it out of its plastic wrapping. Okay, it has a stand too. Wow, that's very interesting. So if you think this is a bit wobbly, or it may be falling, so you can just put this thing on, and you will be giving the camera much more stability. I don't know which one should be, like this or this. Maybe in one way it will work. In any way it will work, because it's this part, so I put the opening there. And this is the USB type 3 charging cable. In this part you have type C, and this part you have USB 3, so you can charge it from your PC, laptop, or even other power adapters. And now we have more is a screw to keep it like this inside your wrist, and the camera will be like this in here, so you don't drop it. In some accidental cases, if you do drop it, it will protect it to go it on the ground. So you can use it, or you may not, as you prefer. Now there is a protective cover too. Let's take it out. So there we have it, Vuze XR. So we can put it, let's take it out for now. we should be putting it. How? I don't like to put it like this, because when you want to take the camera out, you will might be accidentally touching the lenses. So I like to put it in this way, so the lens go down and the handle comes up, so we don't get to touch the lens accidentally or in any way. So you take it out like this or put it like this, and the cover here. So there we go. The camera is now in some form of protection from the surfaces that you may put, so the lenses doesn't get scratched in any way. And that's it for the box. And what I am going to do is to look at the internal parts for now, and we'll close out this video. So please subscribe to the channel and support us to enjoy more amazing contents like this and a lot more in the future. So if you take the protective sticker out from here, you will see the panel open up, very lightly connected. This is the USB type C port, and this is the port for the micro SD card, if you can see here. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope we will see you in our other videos. Have a great day. Thank you.